Did you know that you can create waypoint missions, waypoint flights without even having the remote connected to the drone? The drone can be turned off and packed down, and the only thing you need to have is the remote turned on. And I'm going to show you exactly how that is done. When I created my beginner's guide for creating waypoint missions, waypoint flights, I actually didn't know about that until I was informed about it in the comments section to my beginner's tutorial. And the way you do that is that the only thing you need to have is your DJI remote. Turn it on. And we have to wait for a little bit because it takes a little while before the remote is turned on. But whenever it has turned on, we can actually access the waypoint flight's settings even without connecting it to the drone, and that is pretty awesome. So when we get to the startup screen, you click the connection guide. And after connection guide, we tap the camera view. And then we get into the same screen that we have when we are connected to the drone. And when we are here, we can actually tap that waypoint flight settings section. And here, because all these waypoint flights are saved into remote, you don't need to be connected to the drone because the waypoint flights is actually uploaded to the drone whenever you tap go. So that's why this works. So just go in here, tap this waypoint flights button, and then you can start creating a waypoint even without being connected to the drone. And the next thing to do that is to see each other in that video. You know how it works. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.